Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. It is very important to you, and you observed clearly and about a square. I think that are you also learn this topic and then I watch the video, and today I am very happy to help you, and it is the very important for your life. I am again repeat, this is a very useful for your industries level. For I am define the topic for a DDL, or you know that what is DDL and what is DDL are used clearly. DDL, are you think about DDL, are you learn this topic my first session. I am defined to a deeply to what is DDL and what is the topic or define the DDL. All things are available here. Then what is DDL? DDL is the data definition language. I have repeat this word. And what is the DDL and what is the define? Create a statement. First of all, create a statement. Create. And another topic is alter. Another topic is drop, truncate, and rename. What is this? Already defined to this topic are already defined. What is DDL and how to insert the data in the DDL? How to create a statement? First, how to insert a data? Simple. What is DDL? DDL is command are used to define the structure of the table. It is the define how to structure a table and how to use the table of the structure. Create. It is the used to create a databases. Object like table, views, synonyms and index are available in the DDL command. How to use the DDL? First I am going to write a syntax. Syntax. Then observe how to write a syntax. First create a table. Create table. Table name. Then column. Column name 1. Oh my god. Data size. Column, comma, column, it is the syntax of how to create a table. And one, I am showing this all thing of practically how to command are used. Please write down this command in your copies, and syntax is very important for the Oracle purpose, and it is the used for the another topics is the I am going to the practical how to use. First I am connect semicolon enter username system password enter your connect the SQL. Then I am write the syntax purpose are used in the your program. First it is here and it is the view of here. Okay, I will view clearly and how to syntax are right in the your SQL database. First create a table, create table name. Suppose I am write a first. Okay, your table name is first, then it is the bracket and then enter write the SO number, serial number. Okay, number defined to a 10 digit, not for a only for 10 digit. I am insert the data into 10 digit. If you write in the data, suppose you are write no I am not 10 write 10, I have requirement to a 100 digit. Are you write a 100? Are you not a 100 only for 1000? Write a 1000, no problem. But I am insert for a only for a purpose how to use and how to insert only for this is used for the 10 digit. Then I am insert the data into the name column, name only for serial number. I am showing the data the name and serial number and name is the what is name is the character data type. Yes, character data type. But I am are using the varchar. Why are I using the varchar? I am explain the clearly to observe my how I am speaking and what are I speaking. Please observe deeply and write down in your copies. Varchar. Okay, then colon and enter. Table is created. You saw clearly table is created. Okay, many students to asking a doubt, why sir I am using the varchar and why are using the varchar? Simply, if you are using the char function, no problem, only for the character value. Are you right there? No problem. But character is the used for the store fixed length of the alphabet numeric data type and maximum limit size of the 2000. character जो character size bite. But varchar (4,000) bite there. So this is a very good purpose for varchar, and many software industries are using the varchar too. Why are you using the varchar too in your SQL databases? First, I am going to how to install the varchar too. First, I will insert the new table. This table name is employee, EMP, not EMP number name. Then I will enter the ename, ename, and there is the varchar 2. Sir, you are create a first table, you are not here write the 2, but then you insert a new table and create a new table 2. Why are you inserting the 2? Simply varchar to one views and one things are suitable for you. It is a very important to you. This is table, okay, 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, all things. Suppose are you write a student S, T, U, D, E, N, T, a student. But in this time you have to a multiple table here, okay. Which multiple table? Please show clearly. 1 table, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Character function are used in this table for only for a fixed value, not for this value for this table. It is a fixed value of this table. Varchar are used in the fixed value in the table, no problem. But if we are using the varchar 2, in your program, then it is the observed that this is the called a padding, black padding. In Oracle software, if you write any type of program to use in the character function, or padding is available here. But varchar, suppose you are installing the multiple values, but are you write a only for a name of a Smith SM. So how to insert? Your memory is lost now. So this oracle is the introduced of the varchar 2. It is not a black padding, it is the fixed value. If you write to 10, 20, multiple type values are insert in the varchar 2, no problem, it is insert easily. Okay, so I am using the all program of varchar 2 fixed, like look like a array. It is the install the all values per character, and varchar is a fixed and padding is there. Suppose I write a 10. If you write a 10, so 10 value in install in the computer, but I am inserting a 10, but padding is not there. What means? I mean that this create a first table to a varchar only for 10 digit is fixed, padding black padding. If I enter the 5 digit of any name, then 5 digit name is the black padding. It is an unused memory. So I am using the varchar 2. So I enter the 10 digit value, I install the 10 digit. I enter the 5 digit, enter the 5 digit value, not a black padding here. So increase my software and increase my industries for a recommended to use the varchar 2. So I enter these values, enter, table is created. How to view a structure of the table? First, description, TSA command to use the table views. Table name EMP and enter name, null and type, employee name, ename, name, number or varchar 2 values. If you are not showing the first table, how to view? I am showing. Of course, are you showing? DESC, name of first, 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 semicolon, enter. Clearly. Enter. If you enter the another name of the table, name, suppose you are not create a table, this how to error to the program, object name does not exist. Okay, so I create a table, so I view and how to insert table. First I am data insert in the table, so clearly and I am going to the define, and another classes are used in the alter. Alter is the very important to all things of this insert and add, change. It is used for the changing existing table structure. Okay, time define now. What is the alter command? Alter is the new command. Okay, it is the used to add the number of column in the existing table. Syntax, first I am to define the syntax. And then I am going to the how to syntax, how to write a syntax of the alter table. Alter table, table name, and add column 1 data type, and size. Next, column 2 data type and size, and end semicolon. This is syntax for the alter. Suppose, sir, alter only for this use for alter. No, I am describe it later. Al alter is the command are used in this table for first add. How to add? Use the alter command, and then modify and another one is drop. It is the use in the alter command. Suppose, are you clearly to you are already inserted the table student number, name, but I am inserting the table student salary. How to insert table using the alter command? And I was inserted a table, but I am want to this name is a student name, not a name, student name. How to insert? Modify, use the modify. I want to drop the table, drop command are used, drop the table. Using this table, how are you using? Alter table first you see a syntax alter observably. Alter, write table, write table name, write first add, write a add. Column name, which column are you insert? Salary. Okay. Data type number. Data size 10. Then semicolon and enter. Table is altered. How to see? DESC first and enter. Student name, number and salary. and another session and how to insert in the column and how to insert all the data in the table. Next command is the DML, insert table, update table, and all things are available the DML command. Thank you for visiting this video, and I hope that you understand what I am saying and how to use the SQL for you get practice on this subject is very easily, not for a going to the another classes and waste your time, but watch the my video and clean or you understand your mind. Okay, thank you for watching this video.